When you find that the nozzle discharges unevenly on the base plate during printing, it is necessary to level it. If leveling is required, please complete the calibration first. Refer to How to Guide video, Calibration. After the calibration is completed, start 9-point leveling. The leveling process begins from the lower left corner, following a reverse S-shaped, leveling 1 point at one time. During leveling, ensure that at each point, the card and the nozzle are not too loose or too tight. This can be filled by pulling the card. The point in the middle is a reference point and does not need to be leveled. If it feels too tight, you can press plus. Now it's done.